Hey, Facebook, this is Jeff Niket, and I wanted to do today's video on how to create content and where you can find it. We know that a lot of times we can get stuck trying to figure out what it is that we want to post. We feel like we have all this information, but we don't know how to create something out of it, or we just get into the mode where we're just completely frustrated and to the point where you're not really in that creative mode. So what you're thinking about isn't really helping you figure out where to find that content. So, few places where you can find content is in books that you're reading. If you find something that is interesting or you could use to relate to something, or something that you think other people would get value from, you can use that. The same with watching videos. You can post things from that you found interesting, that you found of value. And there's also the podcasts that you can watch and learn something from and share it with others, and also from other people. That doesn't mean take whatever it is that they're posting and copy and paste it word for word. You really should put it into your own words so it would sound like you, and also think of something that you could use to relate to that as well, so that way it looks, or actually that way it's actually coming from you and not just copy and pasting it. And those are all places where you can learn things from, to share. Use those things to find that content, to build that content that you're looking for. And also ways of creating that content, because we don't want to just put a bunch of text on social media, because then eventually your profile, your wall is just going to look really bland and boring. So you certainly want to make sure you mix that up. And a few ways of doing that would be to take a picture of yourself and add some text to it, a quote, something. You don't want to put too much, because then it takes away from the picture, it takes away from what it is that you're actually trying to do, the message you're trying to share. So just keep that part short. You can do Facebook Live, such as this, which is a great way for people to get to know you and be able to provide value to others for them to see. And as I mentioned a minute or two ago, actual just text, doing a plain ordinary text message or text post, but you can change that up a little bit by using a colored background, either a plain colored background or one that has images in it, which can help as well. Because that way everything looks more interesting, more inviting, not just plain, boring, ordinary. You want things that are going to stand out for people. make it eye-catching, so that way they're going to want to stop and see what it is that you posted, see what it is that you're talking about, and just apply and share what it is that you're learning. And that's the best way to create that content, is to just share what you're learning, because not everyone is going to know the same things. And just because you know it and feel that other people should know it as well, most likely they really won't. So they'll be happy to see that you're sharing and providing value for them. And that is another great way for people to get to know you, is that they will see that you're doing things not just for yourself, but for others as well. So remember, there's plenty of places that you can find content, even just out in nature. Something could catch your eye, you could take a picture of it and use that as part of your post as well, or part of your content in some way. You could write a story about the picture. Well, there's many different things that you can do. So guys, just wanted to do this quick Facebook Live today. Hope you guys are having a great week, and hope you have a fantastic weekend. Have a good one, guys. Bye for now.